Hey guys, welcome to another episode of me opening AliExpress DollarExpress deals. Let's get straight into it and see what we got this time. As you can see, it's pretty good sized bag. There's some items in here that are pretty good size, but let's stop talking and just show you what I got. All right, let's take this item right here since it shows up first. This one right here looks like to be, what is it? A strap-on? No. Okay, I know what it is. It's basically a fire extinguisher Velcro holder. Yeah, basically a fire extinguisher holder for the fire extinguisher that I'm gonna put onto my Jeep. I actually got two fire extinguishers. One is rated A, B, C. That is basically all around fire extinguisher. The reason for that is if I'm going camping or overlanding or just to the trails, and if somehow there's fire that occur, like for example woody area, forest, brush fire, like a small fire, not a large one, but yeah, I'm able to use that. And the other fire extinguisher is the type BC, which is for flammable liquids, gasoline, all that stuff. That one is specifically for vehicle fire. Hopefully, yeah, I don't run into that, but that's that. So I'm gonna have two fire extinguishers. I already have mounting onto my bed rack, but that was for the outside, and that's when I do go on the trails. I'll put my fire extinguisher where it's easily reachable, accessible on the outside. But in the meantime, when I'm just daily driving, I like to put it inside my Jeep where the posts are, and just put it in the rear. But yeah, that's that. So this one right here, I got two of them, but they cost $5.79 each. $5.79 each, just to for these fire extinguisher wrap holder that can go around your post. All right, next up, this one right here, I got three of them. This one I got a while back before. Basically, they're emergency flares. That's what the nickname are, but it's LED lights. Let me take it out and show you. They actually use two C2032, I believe it's CA2032 batteries. Basically, those button batteries for the your car alarm and everything. But yeah, these right here, as you can see, they got different variable flashing. There you go. So imagine if you're in an emergency situation, you just put this outside. They're basically flares, very bright and supposedly very sturdy. It's supposed to be able, you're supposed to be able to run over these or anything, and then we'll see. But they're great emergency. They're $3.39 each. $3.39 each for emergency LED flares. This is the mini one. They do have the larger ones, but of course more expensive. I chose to get these, and I have a lot of those small slim batteries, so I got three of them. Like I said, $3.39 each. $3.39 each. Not bad. All right. Here's the second one, and the third one's in there somewhere, but we'll get it to it later. All right, this one right here is the microphone for my Baofeng radios, and I got two more of these. These were still going for $2.99 each. $2.99 each. I have it here right now as on my UV5R, the original UV5R. This is the 5-watt version. As you see right there, I use it, test it. They work great. So basically, yeah, Baofeng UV5R. And I believe They'll fit into other radios that use this type of connectors. So $2.99 each for the microphone. Like I said, I got 2 of them. All right, next up is these right here. I did get them personally for my sway bar end links. Sway bar end links that uses the type of cotter pin to lock it in place, and I could easily detach it and put it back on. But these cotter pins right here, they cost me for 8 pieces $2.79 each. $2.79 each. Not a bad deal, pretty good. 8 pieces for them. So these are my backup cotter pin replacements. All right. Okay, next up, here's the other fire extinguisher Velcro holders. Okay, this one right here, I know what this is. This one, I actually got it as a gift for one of my neighbors. She has a car, and this one right here is basically an armrest. Well, not an armrest. What do you call it? The center console foam cover that's on it. It has the pockets for your cell phone or any other things that you want to put into the pockets on each side, and it just goes on. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. Just gonna leave it in there. But they cost, this one right here, it cost me $3.39. $3.39. It has foam padding. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, next up, I believe I'll get to this last since it's the largest piece. I'll tell you what it is later. But let me check to see if any other items is left in here. There should be one more of that box thing, but here's the second microphone for my radio. And then here is the third light LED strobe flare light. Okay, that should be it. So let's go to the last item that's in here. It's basically a seat cushion. Debating whether to take it out of the bag or not, but it's basically, this is an all-around seat cushion cover compared to the one that I got before. It was basically just lay on top and connect it with straps, so it's just a flat seat cover cushion, or basically more of a seat cover. This is actually a seat cushion and full cover for the bottom of the seating in my Jeep. I got only one of this in black for $7.79. $7.79 just to test out one first. I want to see how the fitting is. If the fitting is great, I'll get one more of it, but I might as well just open it right now to show you. All right, there it is, right like that. This one right here, I know what it is. It basically goes onto the strap and then tucks inside your seat, and it gets locked in there. And yeah, that's basically it. And it's basically a little large for the camera to get, but yeah, the seating right there. But I guess might as well just put it right there as part of the thing. Okay, let's make it presentable as best as we can. All right, I believe that's it. That's my 10 items. There should be 10. If not, you can correct me on a count later. But yeah, so maybe we could just leave it on like that. All right, guys, there it is. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.